This young man paid $150 down on a hoodie. Then he's going to pay $42 down monthly for 72 months. This is why no value is placed on a fellow human, because all the value is placed on these material things. These material things that are literally causing them to not have any money in the first place to be able to purchase these things. Instead of buying an asset, something that will be able to garner you more funds, you are literally wasting the little that you have on something that you can literally lose tomorrow. And then if you lose it tomorrow because you spent your last to get it, you're going to then go out and probably take another person's life for a hoodie. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? I'm going to add the video now. So if you're watching to the end, hooray to you.
My man just came through and financed his brand new Chrome Hearts hoodie. How you feeling, bro?
Woo, feeling good, man.